New professional camera bag by NEEWER. This came in a couple of weeks ago. NEEWER, the product you love with the service you deserve. Oh, how sweet. Let's unwrap this. Now, this is not a big tech type of channel, right? So relax, okay? I ain't getting nothing free from any company, okay? Everything you see on this channel, I bought with my own money. Moolah, Fulus, Sika, L'argent, Cheddar, Cash, the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin. Hey, tell me, is Bitcoin legal in your country? Let me know, all right? Over here in GH, they're trying to legalize it. The NEEWER Sling camera bag. You only got one shoulder strap. So you hook this up to your waist. Top compartment. I'm an expert in this. Anyway, this is the top compartment. Okay, this is reddish. I'm saying it because in case I don't do my color balancing right, you might see this as orange or something. This is reddish and this is blackish. And it comes with a it comes with a rain cover. That's cool. That's good. And there's one compartment here. So this is the top. Okay. Now this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. Okay. So hey, check this out. There's a little brand here. N for NEEWER. Not bad. Stitched inside. At least the back is a breathable material. You won't get all sweaty. You put the tripod on the side here, and then you lock it. Very, very portable and functional. Now this lock serves more as a security feature. The whole idea here is if you try to open it up, it won't be that easy. You gotta first unlock, then you can open it. Bottom line is to make it a little bit more difficult for them thieves. Man, they ain't got nothing better to do in their life, man. Okay, here it is. So it opens this way. Okay, oh yeah, there's another one down here. All right, then beautiful. There you have it. So you have your standard compartmental distribution system here. This is just a little poison, a little paperwork. So you can put in your camera and your lenses and stuff in here. If you have a camera already with a lens, you can remove this section and let the lens come down here, let the camera come here. But if you don't have a lens on your camera, you can just put the camera here, put one lens here, put another two lens here, or two lens here, and some other equipments here. Bottom line, it's a camera bag. Here you have another compartment, and it opens up this way so that it's a sling bag, so you don't need to remove your bag to open it. You can just slant it on the sideways and just open your bag, take the camera, and take your paparazzi shots. You get me? So it's all good. You have another compartment here. Okay, this one goes this way and this way. So over here, maybe you can put your press pass. If you have a press pass, or if you're a paparazzi, you might just make a fake one and get yourself going, man. So that's I was about to say that's it, but that's not it. Drama. Now this side, I mentioned the tripod. Okay, this side is nothing. Okay, so yeah, so that's that's it. Man, I'm all over the place today, man. What's going on? I didn't even have nothing to drink yet. And here I am all, oh man, this video, I don't even know how. I don't even know if I'm gonna post it. All right, so there it is. I'll put a link in the description. What is this? Okay, it's just the brand. The brand is right here. You can remove this thing, right? It doesn't look nice. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, so they even covered the brand so that it doesn't, still looks fresh when you receive it. Not bad. That's a good touch. So even the brand is covered, man. These NEEWER guys, it's all good. So this is the water, the rain cover. You just cover it like that. Man, let me do this on the back of the camera, man, because I don't know what's happening to me today, but that's about it. Yeah, something like that. There you go. You see? You're covered, man. You're sorted. You're sorted, man. This is the back. Something like that. And you're good to go. Nice, huh? Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Keep it real. I see you guys on the next one. Okay? So NEEWER Sling bag camera. NEEWER Sling mini camera bag. There it is. Damn, I'm tired.